Hello everyone, and good afternoon. This is the Fanttik X200 4-in-1 cordless vacuum. Alright, so I usually don't do these kind of reviews on this channel. Well, not vacuum cleaners, I haven't done that yet. I've done drones, I've done... but not a vacuum. Anyways, this thing is pretty cool, and I haven't gotten around to review it, but today we will. And, just gonna read a little bit off the box. 2,000 milliamps, 2,000 milliamp hour battery. The runtime is 35 minutes, or 13 minutes. I'm assuming, see right here, I'm assuming, it's that because, you can either run it on full power or, it's got different modes probably. But, enough technobabble. Let's crack them open, see what's inside. One more thing I forgot to mention. These are all of the attachments it comes with. So, we'll see what we get in the box. Oh, nicely packaged. A box inside a box. Oh wow, this is tightly packaged. Oh, there we go. Attachments. More attachments. More attachments. More attachments. More attachments. Bag. More attachments. And vacuum cleaner. Instructions. We don't need those. We don't do instructions on this channel. Oh no! Anyways, let's take out the vacuum. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Anyways, it's very nice. Look at the filter in there. It's all, I like the design. Easy to hold.
That's what she said.
Then, I'm assuming this is a blower, because for a vacuum to work, it has to suck in air from one side, and that air has to go out. So, yes. Then, this thing, nice. That is a screen. Alright. And, let's look at all these attachments. First of all, bag. This is a very nice looking bag. Very nice. Set that to the side. Alright. Let's see what attachments we got. Stuff. I don't even know what it's used for. More stuff. Yeah, more stuff. Oh yeah, look at this. So, ooh, I think I know, no. It's gonna take a while to figure out how all this works. Schnozzle. Another schnozzle. Adapter thing with a brush. A longer schnozzle. A flat, long schnozzle. A floor schnozzle for, you know, flat surfaces. It's got a little bit of a mesh, like a felt here, so it goes across nicely on a desk or floor or countertop. And we got two more attachments. Or one is the charging cord, which it runs on a USB-C to an and an USB-A, and then a little brush that might come in handy. And then what's this schnozzle? A short brush schnozzle. Interesting. So, we have quite a few attachments here. I mean, like, quite a few attachments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. And the vacuum. That's a lot of schnozzles, if you ask me. Anyways, let's get this baby charged up, and, or it may actually be charged. Oh yeah, look at that. It's blowing, and then it's sucking.
Huh? What?
Anyways, but this is kind of cool. And then this is max. This is what the 13 minutes of battery life is. And then this is what the 35 minutes of battery life is. And then to turn it off, you just hold it. So, to turn on, you hold it, and it says right there, L, low, then click it again, and that's high. Click it again, low, long press, it shuts off. So, nice little vacuum, handy around shops like I've got over there. And you can, like, blow little crumbs off the... Nah, you wouldn't blow crumbs off a table. You would vacuum them off a table. Yeah. I don't know. But anyways, it's a nice little vacuum, and you can put different schnozzles on it, like the long one, and then attach this one. Nice. Or you can attach this brush. Nice. Or you can attach this Pinocchio nozzle. Schnozzle, I mean. Wait a minute. How's it? Oh, so this is for the front. And then these are attachments for the back. Look at that. That's sick. So you can have a more concentrated airflow for higher pressure. That is awesome. Then I have no clue what this is used for. And then that is for more concentrated air. Let's see how that works. For demonstration purposes, I have this. Don't worry, I'll clean it up at the end. But, I mean, obviously that's gonna blow away easily. But, look at that. It works really well. Let's see how easy it is to clean the filter. So, this little latch, I undid it, and then there's a button here. You press, the top comes off, and you empty out into a trash can, and that turns. So see, here there's a lock and unlock, and you twist it to the unlocked, and it pops out. There's the little motor in there. You can see the bearing. Interesting. But yeah, the filter is here, and it has a little handle that you can grab and twist, or that, pull out. And then you take the filter out, clean it, and when you're ready, put it back in, and then put it here, click, click, click. As easy as that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I highly recommend this. It is amazing, and it has some pretty good suction, as you guys can see. It's perfect for cars, workbenches, inside for little jobs. It's awesome. I'd say it's really awesome. And you can blow things and vacuum things. I don't understand the 4-in-1, but you have 2-in-1, I'd say, but not 4-in-1. I don't see that, but other than that, very cool. And guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you. Peace out.